Good morning, 9th standard. Today we will start 3.5 of computers. Connect with the world using internet and its applications. How connect with the world using internet? Session 1, Introduction to Internet. What is the meaning of internet? The internet is a collection of interconnected computer networks from around the world that provides a wealth of information on nearly any topic you can imagine. बच्चे, you can imagine, suppose you want any information about any topic, then you use internet. The World Wide Web means www. www stands for World Wide Web. The World Wide Web, often simply called the web, is a subsystem of internet. Web is a subsystem of internet. The internet itself is just cables. What is internet? Internet itself is just cables, wires and specialized computers. But its value lies in the vast amount of information it contains. At the physical level, the structure of the internet is one that is often described as a network of networks. Means a network of networks. Internet. बच्चे, if you want to find any topic, about any topic, any information, then you use internet. Second session, applications of internet. What is the meaning of applications of internet? The internet forms a large part of the ICT that is there. Without the internet, computer would only work without any possible calibration. We have already talked about various possible uses of the internet in an earlier topic. Some of the application of internet are: what is the applications? Number 1, internet is a place where business house themselves. Most companies these days have online presence, and going online opens up the company for 24/7 use. Means 24 hours 7 days use and reach from any geographical place. Most of the companies, but now you all are taking online classes due to COVID-19. Then you use internet. Almost any information can be found on the internet, so it helps students, researchers, housewives, class teachers, professors in their daily life. Next, you can buy and sell goods over the internet. If you want to purchase any product, if you want to sell any product, then you use internet. With the help of internet, you can purchase anything from Flipkart, Amazon, OLX are some such sites where buying and selling of goods is actually possible. Internet allows you to make friends. But on Facebook you make friends. It of course comes with the warning that someone might exploit or use you. But many people meet up online and marry also. Internet in office spaces allows you to have meetings and conferences over the internet. But without internet, these all applications are useless. Internet can entertain you. You can play any video on the internet using sites like YouTube. But you can see any video on YouTube. You can upload any video on YouTube. That these all are the applications of internet. Next one is session 3rd, internet browser. What is the meaning of internet browser? बच्चे, what is internet browser? Internet browser or internet application software browser is an important software for connection to the internet. If you want to connect with internet, then you use internet browser. Suppose, see here, Opera is the internet browser.